children, now let's discuss some important points of yesterday, whatever we have done. Now, see, children, height of Mount Everest is 8,848 meter. Height of Kanchenjunga is 8,586 meter. And height of Nanda Devi is 7,817 meter. These are the highest peaks of Himalayas, and this is the highest peak in the world, Mount Everest. Okay, children. Now the Himalayan ranges. As you know, the Himalayan ranges are about 2,400 kilometers long, and it has got three parts. Clear? Himadri, Himachal, Shivaliks. Himadri is also known as the Greater Himalayas. Himachal is also known as the Middle Himalayas. And Shivaliks, they are also known as the Outer Himalayas. Clear? Children, yesterday we have discussed most of the highest peaks of Himadri. The highest peaks of Himadri, they are the Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, Mount Kailash, and K2. Now, continuing in the same order, children, we'll discuss glaciers. Now, listen carefully. What are glaciers? Glaciers are huge blocks of ice that move very slowly down the mountains, or you can say glaciers are also known as slow moving river of ice. Children, if I am not wrong, in your previous classes, you must have studied about glaciers. Glaciers are slow moving river of ice. Okay. Now, children, the greater Himalayas have glaciers. Now they are telling you that the greater Himalayas, they have glaciers. Now which glaciers are they? The Siachen Glacier, Gangotri Glacier, and Yamunotri Glacier. Now children, if someone will ask you names of glaciers that are located in the greater Himalayas, these are the name of the glaciers, those who are located in the greater Himalayas. What are they? They are Siachen Glacier, Gangotri Glacier, and Yamunotri Glacier. Glaciers melt as they come down the mountains and feed water and rich silt to rivers. Children, as you know, when we are taking out ice from the fridge, it gets melt and it changes into water. In the same way, due to the changes in temperature, this ice, this ice starts melting and it comes down with salt, with silt, and as they come down the mountains, they bring with them silt, mud, and small pieces of rocks along with it. And that is very fertile for the plains. And that is also known as LUVM. Children, I think you have heard this term LUVM. It is the water that is coming down along with mud, silt, stones, etc., and that makes the soil very fertile. This silt, children, it is going to mixed or it is mixed with the rivers that is there in the plain areas like Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, and Satluj. The silt get mixed in these rivers. The extreme climate and snow in these mountain ranges does not allow any form of life to survive here. The extreme climate and snow, children, they are talking about the mountain areas due to very extreme cold weather or and snow. People, they are not comfortable to live over there, and that is why people don't survive there if they live continuously. Okay, as we are living in plains, they cannot live there on the mountains. Children, I'm explaining you and making it more clear. Children, if you see on Mount Everest, people they don't live there. They make small camps. So because these mountaineers they climb over there to reach that topmost of the Mount Everest. Now see, mountaineers from across the world come here to climb some of the highest peaks in the world. Their motto is to climb. They don't live there because the climate is extreme cold. I think you all have understood this. It is very difficult to go from one hill or mountain range to another. Now, children, try to understand it. I'm making it more clear. Ki when we move in planes, it is easy for us to move from one place to another. But as we go on the mountains, it is very difficult to move from one hill or from one mountain to another. And that is why, children, people they make the path easy. They make some ways in between so that we can move easily. People can go, people can visit these places. In some places, streams and rivers make narrow cuts in the mountain. Sometimes, beta, some streams and rivers they are natural, है ना? They are the natural things. They make the way. But the places where there is no normal path, people they make the path so that we can move in between it. People can go across mountains through passes, which are known as a pass. Children, you know the path that they make between two hills or between two mountains, they are known as passes. Passes means they make a path. Okay, children, as I know or as I have experienced, ki you most of the students they must have gone to a mountain area. You must have seen hill stations. Actually, you must have visited hill stations. So what we do in hill stations, the roads are there. Government made the roads so that people can visit these places easily. In the same way, those who are for mountaineers, those who climb the mountains, for them they make the part that is known as passes. Now, children, see the important points here, important questions that you can learn. What are glaciers? Glaciers are huge blocks of ice that move very slowly down the mountains. Or, children, the easy way of learning glaciers are they are the slow moving river of ice. Clear? Now, the important glaciers of Greater Himalayas: Siachen Glacier, Gangotri Glacier, and Yamunotri Glacier. Now, children, the name of the rivers in which this silt or alluvium is mixed. Okay, now this is Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, and Satluj. Children, now I understood that I have explained my chapter very well. So I thought ki you can answer these questions. This is the time for your homework now. Okay? These are the one word answer. You not need to write. It is only so that you can learn it. Now, name the highest peak of the world. Question number 1 is name the highest peak of the world. Question number 2 is name the 3 Himalayan ranges. Question number 2 is name the 3 Himalayan ranges. Question number 3 is height of Mount Everest. Height of Mount Everest. Children, it is a GK question. Question number 4 is height of Kanchenjunga. Question number 4 is height of Kanchenjunga. Question number 5 is another name of Himadri. What is the another question? Another question is another name of Himadri. Clear, children? Now I think you all can learn these questions. Now, children, stay happy, stay at home, stay healthy, and stay safe. Okay, children? Now, bye-bye. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you.